Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we are going to see job opportunities for mechanical engineers, electrical engineer and mechatronics engineer. The name of the company is Maruti India Career. I will be giving the link in the description. When you click the link, you can directly go to the official website. If not, also you can type Maruti India Careers in Google. So when you type these wordings in Google and give a search, you will be getting following result. So when you scroll down gently, you will be seeing your career life at Maruti Suzuki. So you have to click on the icon career life at Maruti Suzuki. So when you click on, you will be directed to the official website. So when you scroll down, you can see like experienced professional and explore here. So you have to click on explore here. So when you click, you will be getting this. So experienced professional. When you scroll down, you will be seeing an option for apply now. So you have to click on apply now. So when you click on that, you will be seeing various job openings, almost 94 openings in India. See here, mold engineer, casting engineer, electrical in charge, mold fitting and trial, assistant and deputy manager for testing and design, and press die design. So many results will be that. So when you scroll for press die design, the location, job location is in Gurugram, and they are expecting experienced person. So you must have 3 to 8 years of experience, and job is full time. So when you click on that, you will be directed to this page. Here they will be giving the job description. So you need to independently handle the process planning and solid modeling and die design for the press die of automobiles, and you must have a basic knowledge of CAE and die face design, and knowing the assembly and trial for commissioning, etc. So when you scroll down, if you know the software called UG means it's added advantage. If you want to apply for the job, you need to fill your first name, middle name and father's name and all basic details, your address, mobile number, mail ID and all. After that, there will be an icon called apply now. You have to click on the icon apply. So when you come back, so when you just come back to the browser, I mean when you just come back, press the back button, you will be directed to the various results, right? So there you can see an opportunity called mold engineer. So its job location is in Manisar, and experience is 2 to 5 years, and it's full time. So department is a mold engineering, and division is production. And if you have degree from SIPPET or tool and die maker from DITE, CITD, CTTC and all, you can apply for this job. If you have MTech in tool and die design and manufacturing from DITE and CITD and CTTC, you can apply for this job. This is minimum job qualification which they expect, and level will be an assistant manager or deputy manager. Your role and job opportunities, they will be giving in detail. You just scroll down and read clearly. So when you come back, you can see a icon called casting electrical in charge and weld body engineering. So when you now we will be seeing casting in charge. So casting in charge, and the job location is Gurugram. Experience is minimum 3 to 6 years of experience, and it's a full time. So here actually all those who finish their diploma in mechanical, industrial and production can apply for this job, and it's a post for engineer and senior engineer, and the department is engine department. And your job and role is you must have a domain knowledge in manufacturing process and machining process, involved in 5C components, hands-on experience on equipments and plant setup, product development design, and you must have knowledge for the calculation of the casting parameters, casting components. You must have knowledge of Unigraphics and AutoCAD and all. So these are things which they expect. Behavioral skills like achievement orientation, good analytical skill, excellent interpersonal skill, communication and presentation skill, and you must be a team player and networking skills, etc. So when you come back, you can see various other jobs. You have to click for electrical in charge or weld body engineering. So job location is in Gurugram, and experience is 3 to 6 years. So who and all can apply? Those who have BE or BTech or diploma in electrical or mechatronics engineering can apply for this job. So EEE students and mechatronics engineer can apply, and department is weld engineering. Level is for the post is senior engineer or assistant manager and deputy manager. Job responsibility is you must study and specify the validation of weld equipment, PLC and logic modification is required, and you must be well versed in Fanuc, Kawasaki and Yas Furukawa robot teaching. So all this will be dealing with robotics. So if you are good at robotics, you can apply for this and aim for it. You must have a check and validate the electrical design of the weld lines, and basic knowledge of robot teaching and PLC program is a must. So if you are well versed in all this stuff, means you can apply for this job. Just type your name, address, experience, and where you come from, and you have to upload your resume in whatever format they are asking, and finally you have to submit your application by agreeing all the condition. So all those who want to apply, or just apply for your relevant department and relevant job nature, so that you can you will be getting mails from in your registered mail ID and phone number for further process. If you feel this video is useful, means kindly share this video to mechanical, electrical and mechatronics engineer and production engineers. It will be helpful for them. And do subscribe our channel and stay tuned with our channel. We will be bringing all job opportunities to your doorstep. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.